Welcome to Talmudic Treasures. Today we are on Megillah 4, which discusses that if Purim would fall out on Shabbat, Saturday, we will not read the Megillah on that day. Instead, it will be read on a different day. The Talmud gives us two reasons for this. First of all, everyone is obligated to read or hear the Megillah scroll. However, not everyone has the knowledge or expertise to be able to read it. There is a prohibition on Shabbat of carrying an item in a public thoroughfare. And because of this, we're concerned that there may be an individual somewhere that may, with anticipation of wanting to fulfill this obligation, will carry their Megillah scroll outside in the public thoroughfare to bring it to someone to read it for them. And this is the reason why we do not allow anyone to read the Megillah on Shabbat. For that reason, also, when Rosh Hashanah falls out on Shabbat, we do not hear the sound of the shofar for the same reason, as well as during the time in which the holiday of Sukkot will fall out on Shabbat, we will not shake the lulav and etrog, which teaches us a tremendous lesson. First of all, that when it comes to this one individual, we are so concerned over one person possibly making a mistake that we will cancel the upside of so many people to be able to do an integral mitzvah. Again, namely, hearing the shofar on Rosh Hashanah, or shaking the lulav on Sukkot, or reading the Megillah in its proper time, because it's so important to make sure that we do not want anyone to stumble or to make any mistakes. And therefore, we will be extra careful and cancel everything for that person. Second reason, the Talmud says, is there's an extra mitzvah, a separate mitzvah, that also takes place on Purim called Matanot Evyonim, namely giving presents and money and gifts to the poor. It's a very important aspect of our religion, is giving charity, being hospitable, and being kind to others. And the problem is, because we do not handle money on the Shabbat, if we would read the Megillah on Shabbat, then it would cause that these poor people who are hoping to be able to collect this money, this charity, they will not be able to get this money on the day in which the Megillah is read. And therefore, for that reason, we would rather read it on a different day so that those people who are lacking will be able to get the charity that they so desperately need.